In the past, am and is equals was, are equals were. Let's change present to past. I am happy today. I was happy yesterday. Rita is in the park now. She was in the park last week. They are walking now. They were walking 5 minutes ago. Now you try. Use was and were correctly. Lisa was at home yesterday. Tom was practicing his English 1 hour ago. It was cold yesterday. Those shoes were expensive. The test was easy yesterday. Let's see if you got it. Did you get your answers right? Let's see. Good job, everybody. For practice at home, write about yourself and your friends or family members using was and were. See you next time and see you soon.
You win!